If you're looking to bring gravitas to your next presentation, bear in mind that your body can amplify your words or betray them. Think about the message your body language is sending all the way through your presentation. Right from the moment you walk on stage or you stand up in a meeting, people will be looking and taking visual cues from your body. So stand tall, stand confidently, open up. Don't fold yourself in, don't hunch, be proud, be confident. If you look confident, people will see you as confident, even if you are incredibly nervous inside. Bear in mind that your gestures will also show that you have power, authority, gravitas. So your body language should be open, emphatic. Try to avoid pointing. Certainly try to avoid bringing the hands together and wringing them, because that just says, I'm nervous. That sort of action will just undermine any gravitas you might have built up. So clear, emphatic gestures that people will understand. It's almost part of the visual storytelling within your presentation, but it does so much to add gravitas to what you're saying. Try not to fidget as well. There's an awful temptation if you're nervous to start dancing on the spot. You know, people sort of start wandering around and they start doing stuff. You don't have a pen in your hand, you've got a clicker in your hand, don't just start playing with it as a toy. Relax, calm gestures, emphatic gestures, and let your body do as much talking as your voice. As I said, your body can amplify your message or it can undermine it. Which it's going to be. If you want more tips on bringing gravitas to your presentations, do like and subscribe and come back next time.